Hi, I'm Leah with Travel With Us. We have a fantastic Alaska cruise experience for 2025 that we're in the process of putting together for you. Please visit our website at travelwithus.vacations for more information and to stay in the loop. Space will be limited, so you won't want to miss this boat. So, why cruise the Inside Passage? Lots of reasons why, so I'm going to help narrow it down for you and explain it to you. Accessibility. There's limited roads to any location in Alaska. Difficulty, even with the roads, to get there. In fact, Juneau is only accessible by water. The Inside Passage is approximately 500 miles long and it's 100 miles wide, stretching from Puget Sound in Washington state to Skagway, all along the Pacific coastline. It's filled with fjords, wildlife, 16 tidewater glaciers. Actually, Glacier Bay National Park is one of the top destinations, only accessible by boat. The Inside Passage is one of the few routes in the world where large ships requiring deep water can safely navigate next to the steep mountains, and the water inside the passage is as smooth as it gets for cruising, so it shouldn't be anything rough for you. Cruising also adds an extra layer of comfort in a viewing area, as you can adventure by day and travel by night, although the daylight can be up to 22 hours per day. Imagine waking up to a new destination without having to navigate and only unpack once. Yes, cruising the Inside Passage will also maximize your vacation time. It's a great choice for multi-generational families as it allows for easy wildlife viewing for grandparents and younger children. And then there's excursions and hiking for the active athletes in the family, and shopping and entertainment for teens. And there's also kids clubs for the little ones. Everyone will learn something with various informational spotlights on Alaska, the history and the culture. There's workshops and hands-on events. You will also have a wide variety of dining styles and choices, including room service. So, as you can see, traveling by boat, cruising in particular, the Inside Passage is the best way to maximize your time and be able to do something each and every day and evening. You may have some questions, so please connect with travelwithus.vacations to stay in the loop. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Travel with us. We invite you to be our guest on this limited space offer of an Alaskan indulgence. Don't wait. Contact us now. Travelwithus.vacations. Our phone number 507-400-3216. We hope to be talking to you soon.